A cyber attack has compromised Indonesia's national data center.
Now, a cyber attack has compromised Indonesia's national data center.
The Indonesian government is trying to restore databases affected by a cyber attack on a data center that disrupted public services last week.
Kerentanan di Indonesia memang masih kurang banget dan memang harus ditingkatkan gitu ya.
Sistem keamanan siber di negara kita ini masih PR.
Di government itu situs-situsnya bahkan dijadikan sebagai playground dan itu faktanya ada di situ.
Situs pemerintah itu bahkan sampai sekarang tuh jadi mainan. Jadi anak-anak baru belajar itu tes skill-nya itu di sana. Serius ya.
Not gonna lie, that's a pretty serious problem. But here, I'm trying to help solve it. Introducing SecureDev, an application that is able to detect vulnerabilities in a project. To be able to run SecureDev, we first have to input our Google Gemini API key into this application. After that, we can immediately run the application by importing the project folder into the application. This is an example of my simple application, in the form of a simple CRUD in PHP with only 5 files. So it's very possible for vulnerabilities to occur. After importing the project, you can set which files you want to check for vulnerabilities. And even the Gemini API is already running here by suggesting which files can be changed by developers in this project. And files the most suggested ones will be automatically checked. If so, you can click the scan button to scan the vulnerabilities of all the coding files you choose. Try not to have too many, because it will make the loading process even longer. You can see there is only one vulnerability, namely the XSS vulnerability. But let's make this more interesting. Now I will try to import a real project that I worked on at my workplace. This project is a backend project using Express, MongoDB, and MySQL, and many other packages. You can see that Gemini AI is suggesting 15 files in this project. Gemini immediately knows that this is an Express.js project. Let's see if there are any vulnerabilities in this project. It looks like my project isn't safe. As you can see, there are many types of vulnerabilities that Gemini API found in this project. Each card explains the type of vulnerability, then how big the threat level is in order of greatest, and the name of the vulnerability itself. You can click on a vulnerability to see more details about this vulnerability, consisting of file location, description, workaround, and more. Then apart from that, we can also use the Gemini API to generate code changes according to the vulnerability, as well as a list of files that are declared to have this vulnerability. Gemini API is really the hero here, not only explaining but also helping me to automatically fix my code so that it avoids dangerous vulnerability and keeps us all safe from dangerous vulnerability attacks. Guess that's it. This is SecureDev, and thank you for watching. See you later.